Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete posts on Instagram. So if you want to declutter your Instagram post, you want to clean up your profile or your feed, and you want to delete some posts on your Instagram, this is how you are going to do it. First, of course, you need to launch the Instagram app. Okay, after you open the Instagram, you want to find the post that you want to delete. You can just head to your profile. So in here you can directly delete posts from your profile by clicking on the post that you want to delete, and then tap on these three dots icon at the top of the post, and here there will be this delete option. You can just tap on that, and Instagram will ask you again if you want to delete your post. So that's the first method. The second method is that you can click on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Then you can scroll down until you find this one, your activity. Then scroll down and you'll see content you shared section, and here you'll see post. You can click on the post options and you can see your Instagram post in here. So what you need to do is just select the one that you want to delete. You can long press on it, tap on select at the top, and just choose the content, and here you can just tap on delete. Okay, but if you just want to hide it from your feed and you don't want to permanently delete it, you can just archive your Instagram post. You can do it in here on your activity by long press on it and tap on archive, or you can also do it directly like the one that I told you before on the profiles. In here you can click on the post, tap on the three dots icon and choose to archive. Okay, so just choose between archive. If you don't just want to hide from your profile, you can choose archive, but if you want to remove it permanently from your profile, you can tap on delete in here, and here you can still restore the post from recently deleted in your activity within 30 days, and after that it will be permanently deleted. So if you're confirmed, you can just tap on delete, and just like that the post will be deleted. So that's how you can easily delete posts on Instagram. I hope this simple Instagram tutorial will be helpful for you. So don't forget to click on the like, leave a comment, click on thanks, and also subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.